Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Healthy Living. Today I'm going to share a low calorie dinner recipe. It's very easy to make, so let's get started. Here I have taken one small half onion, half tomato, 3 kind of bell peppers, quarter cup each, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 green chilli and 1 inch ginger. I have made a paste out of it. We have a half size of cauliflower, green peas, quarter cup and some spices. In a large pan, take a 2 tablespoon oil. We are going to heat this oil. Add cumin and mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add 1 chopped onion. Saute the onions until it's golden brown. Saute for about 3 minutes. Cook the peppers for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we are going to add all the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Add half a teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. And now add the kitchen king masala, half a teaspoon. And salt to taste. Mix all the masalas well. At this time, I'm going to add coriander leaves and chopped tomatoes. Now we are going to cover this and cook the tomatoes well. At this time, the tomatoes are cooked, so we are going to add the green peas. Now is the time to add the cauliflower. Mix everything well. We are going to add a little bit of salt this time. We are going to add the Kasuri methi just to give the flavor. We are going to cover this and cook for 10 minutes. It's going to cook in its own water. As you can see, the cauliflower has released its water and the sabji almost looks ready. I'm going to stir this for 2 to 3 times, making sure it's all cooked evenly. We are going to garnish this with remaining coriander leaves. And as you see, it's ready to serve. For this, I have made 2 small pedas and I'm going to roll this chapati. I'm going to spread little oil. Chapati is ready. Now I'm going to make a tofu recipe. For this, I have taken 2 pieces of tofu and marinated in the spices. I'm going to saute this both the sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. Pieces in it. Tofu is soft to the touch. We are going to take it out now. Now we are going to make the very last recipe, cucumber raita. I have taken 2 small grated cucumbers. I'm going to add curd in it. Take about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Mix them well. I'm going to add the coconut sugar, half a tablespoon, and salt to taste. I'm going to make a tempering for this raita. So in a small kadai, I have taken some oil and I'm going to add the mustard seeds in it. Let them splatter. Then I'm going to add the curry leaves. And a half a teaspoon of turmeric. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of peanuts. I have crushed them. And mix them well, and you can add this in a raita now. Now you can add about half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and mix them well. I'm going to plate this food. For the salad part, I have added some chopped romaine and red radish. I hope you like my recipe, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.